Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. But before we get started, I want to wish Emily a wonderful time at her new job. The lady who's made this face for radio look good for you guys is no longer going to be with us, so she will be missed. But after that, we talked about dryer heaters last time. Now we're going to talk about dryer motors. Your dryer doesn't turn. Well, there's a couple things you can check. This design is basically Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, LG, and Samsung. This is the basic design for all of them. The only real difference is where are these and what are these. Okay, now this is a thermistor. This is for the temperature of your heater. If your motor's not turning, this is not a problem. Now this here, this is a single blow thermal fuse. This blows out, this shuts down your motor. Okay, and this is something you can check with your meter. Get continuity on your meter, go across it, it should be, then it's fine. Another thing to check for is down here. This here is a belt tension switch, okay? What it does is, when it's like this, it's cutting power off to the motor. And then with my belt on, this actually allows the power to flow through so my motor will run. It's kind of like a door switch, so if your door's open, doesn't allow it to work. If your belt breaks, this keeps your motor from turning, okay? And the other is, do you have 220 at your outlet? That's something you can check at home by basically, if you have a multimeter, check the red and the black legs on the back of the heater, and you should have 220. Now, if you don't have a meter, or you think you might have an issue, go to your breaker box and look at it. Now, it should be a 30 amp fuse, which means you have to physically turn the fuse off and then turn it back on. Simply looking at it isn't going to do you any good because you can't see that it's tripped. Okay, so always turn it off, turn it back on, then go try it. But these are some things that you can look at yourself. Is the connector on here good? Is this good? Heck, did my connector fall off? These are things that'll help you in the future to see if you can fix it yourself, or you got to call a technician like me to come out and fix it for you. So don't forget to tune in next week for more good information, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and have a wonderful day.